Well, today I'm going to be making creamy chicken and leek soup. These are the ingredients I'll be using for the leek and chicken creamy soup. I've got some fresh leeks, celery, lemon juice, ground turmeric, curry powder, Jamaican curry powder, salt, garlic, potatoes and 1 onion. I've got some chicken thighs ready for the pan for boiling first. First off, I'll be doing obviously that these ones with bones in, which I don't get boneless. Ones with bones in because when you're boiling them, as I'll now demonstrate, on there on the stove. I've already boiled the kettle, so add the hot water now. And we'll boil these for about 40-45 minutes. And then when they're nice and tender, I'll be taking the bones out and using the juices as stock. Now the boned chicken thighs are now simmering. I'm going to add a little touch of salt. Leave that for another half an hour. And that'll be my natural stock I'll be using for the creamy chicken and leek soup. And now I'll slowly get in there. The chicken thighs, boned chicken thighs are slowly simmering. Nice for the stock as well, the water I'll be using. Also I've finely chopped up some potatoes in cubes, finely chopped some celery, and also I've got some leeks that I've shredded in thin slices as well. That's how I'd like it, right, for the soup. Nice and finely sliced. Yeah, so I'll be adding those to the mix after I've shredded the chicken. But before I do that, I'll be chopping up an onion as well. I've got some garlic to chop up, ready for the creamy leek and chicken soup. Now I've got all the ingredients for the creamy leek chicken soup I'm doing. I've put all the ingredients in here for now because I need some more room on the chopping board. So I've chopped up some finely chopped onions. And I've got the garlic cloves ready for the soup. And in a minute, I'm going to be taking the chicken off the bone and also get rid of the bones. And I'm going to shred the chicken and put the chicken back in with the stock. And then add the ingredients. Now, as you can see, the chicken leek creamy soup I'm doing. I've now took all the skin off the chicken thighs. I won't be using them. And I've left the bones in there, you see. Look at that now, look. See, it's all shredded. I'm going to boil it for another 20 minutes to get even more flavour from the bones. And this natural stock will be lovely. So that's that so far. And then when I'm ready, I'll be taking the bones out. And then add in the ingredients. Obviously the potatoes, the leeks, the celery, and the garlic and onion. And then I'll be putting in a little dash of lemon juice in there, turmeric, and Jamaican curry powder, and a little dash of salt. And I'll let that simmer for another couple of hours and see how we're going from there. I'm happy at the moment. Now chicken's all ready to add all the other ingredients. We've got the celery, I've got the leek, potatoes, garlic and onion. Let's get that all in there. It smells lovely already, that does. That in there. Do the garlic in a minute. Let's get the onion in there. And then I've just got to add the turmeric, curry powder, lemon juice, and a bit of garlic, and then simmer. Right, so now all the ingredients are in there. The creamy leek chicken soup I'm doing. I'm going to now add some Jamaican style curry powder. Just a little sprinkle of that in there. And also I'm going to be adding turmeric. Dash that in there. And also a little dash of lemon juice. And give it a nice stir. I'm going to leave that to simmer for a couple of hours, I say, an hour and a half, and see how we go from there. It smells lovely already, all that chicken in there. Let all them flavours all get together. It's the first time you're making soup, and I'm quite impressed with it, to be honest with you, already. So, all the celery in there, potatoes, all them seasonings. Lovely jubbly. Now for the next stage, I'm going to give it a little blend. Not completely, but just a little bit. So here we go. Right, now the creamy leek chicken soup is now blended. The last thing I've got to do now is add the chopped parsley and thyme. Here we go. Get that in there. Now I've got that in there. Give that another little stir. And then leave to simmer for another 8 minutes to 10 minutes. And that's ready to serve. Voila. Bazza's cream leek and chicken soup.